Paul is saying, why don't we hire freelancers from first tier countries who could deliver high quality work? So even if they cost more, to leverage your output and produce more videos alongside your own production. Well, my take on that is I like being in front of camera. I don't want to spend too much money on people to be in front of camera. Like I'm trying to build my own brand, my own face. Like I want to be recognizable. I think that's where a lot of like the kind of brand power lies, you know, like having your face recognized by people. I'm just moving more to the direction of like being a creator. Of course, I'm focusing now on like tutorials and stuff. And that's because it works. Maybe eventually I'll talk about something else, but I've tried it so many times and I'm not gonna do it now because what works now is the tutorials and that's what I'm good at. But yeah, it's just, it costs more. I don't want to spend too much money on that. Like I like being in front of camera. I built my own studio, you know. I love to be in my studio. Bro, my studio is perfect. I have an AC blasting right now at 18 degrees. I have shotgun mic, bro. I'm gonna foam this whole place up so it's like fully audio isolated. I have lights. It's just like, it's perfect, man. It's like my man cave, you know? I wake up in the morning, I get a cup of Joe, I walk to my studio, I record some videos for the business, I do live stream, you know, I like, today's cool. Today I get to invite you, so that's fun.
Yeah,
What's your take?
I'm taking the same approach as I want to be in front of the camera, whether it's me or it's an AI version of me, because what I'm looking at is outsourcing myself um, with like someone who can do a screen recording, but it's my voiceover. So either I do the voiceover myself or with an AI voiceover, and all the tasks that the question is like, why don't you hire competent freelancers for first tier countries who could deliver high quality work? I think there are also competent freelancers from third or second world countries who could deliver the same quality work, especially if it doesn't involve being in front of the camera. So there would in no case be a reason for me to hire them. Also, another reason, if I hire someone from the Philippines, it's always zero tax. If I hire someone from the Netherlands, I gotta also pay tax over it, which I don't like.
Yeah.
I also don't like spending money in general, but basically the point is, well, if you need someone, find someone, but not specifically looking for someone from a first tier country.
Yeah. The way I would probably approach that is I would look for like a small creator. I actually had experience. It's very funny, but I did that before. Like I will show you. I have some videos on my channel where I found this small creator. I basically went to Upwork and I was like looking for small creators like who have a good studio setup and who want to help me record videos. And then I found him and he was okay and the videos actually performed.